This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have an administrator account because only admins can remove a Windows password. Once confirmed, back up any essential files in case you need to restore access. Next, open Start, select Settings, then Accounts, and navigate to Sign-in options. This moves you directly to the controls you'll change. Make sure Windows is updated so options appear as described. If not, use Control Panel or NetBlue as alternatives to reach account settings. You now remove or disable the password. If the account is local, choose Change under Password and leave new password fields blank where allowed to remove it. If you have a Microsoft account, first switch to a local account via Accounts Your Info, then remove the password. Alternatively, press Windows +R, run NetBlue, select the user, uncheck users must enter a username and password, and confirm. This disables sign-in prompts. Make sure to confirm changes and restart to verify behavior. Finish by restarting Windows and verifying that the device signs in automatically or that the password prompt is gone. If Windows still asks for a password, revisit NetBlue or Settings and reapply the change. You may need to re-enter your current credentials to confirm removal. If you lose access, boot into safe mode or use Windows Recovery Media to enable the built-in administrator or restore a system image. Keep at least one admin account protected in case you need to resecure the machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.